understanding what's going on in your home is really important. If you could predict that something's going to fail, you could save lots of money sometimes. I mean, if a refrigerator fails, you can lose a lot of food. So Frank, what are you showing here at CES?
We are showing you a new solution of health monitoring for machines, and our solution is able to detect and predict future breakdown of your device, for example for HVAC, for a swimming pool or for cars. And our solution is based on smart connected sensors and on AI-based algorithm, and we use also a mobile app to send you a dashboard of your device and some notification if something goes wrong.
And so these devices here, do they make a dumb device smart? Is that what happens?
Exactly. In fact, our sensor is quite dumb, but our algorithms are very smart. And our main concern is to provide a full solution able to detect the major breakdown. But one more thing, for example, HVAC use a lot of electricity, and HVAC in a bad condition should take more than 30% of electricity. So you can do edge economy using this kind of system.
So it's more than just predictive analytics. You can also efficiency.
You can spare a lot of money using this kind of system.
Now, how are you bringing this to market?
We expect to start these activities during year 2019 at the end of the first quarter. We have two kinds of customers, industrial customers and classic customers who have HVAC or a swimming pool or cars.
Do you expect, though, to bring it through service providers and kind of white label it to service providers?
Yes, we expect to have some agreements with this kind of providers, and we expect to work with companies who done maintenance companies, because our system is only monitoring. If something goes wrong, you have to send a technician to fix the trouble. And that's why we are working with maintenance operator to provide a full package, including monitorings and technicians to fix the trouble.
So you're going to launch in France. What are your plans for the US?
We will start the activities in Europe. My company is based in England, not in France.
Oh, okay.
I am French, but we expect to start these activities worldwide, because IoT, but it doesn't mean any borders. I think if we have a great solution, it could work worldwide. It doesn't make sense to develop a solution for European market or for US market or for Asian market. I don't think so.
And what sort of connectivity do these devices need?
Today we will use Wi-Fi for we will use a Wi-Fi network.
Okay, that makes sense. Well, Frank, good luck as you roll this out.
Yes,
thank you.
Thank you for that.